So the first example that I have here is an engineering drawing line item extractor. So let me show you a civil engineering drawing that I pulled from the web. So this you can see here is an example of an architectural drawing for a water line installation, and you can see it has tons of artifacts, but one of them is this fire hydrant. So what I'm going to do is I'll come in here and I'll drag and drop this PDF into my AI engine processor, and I'd say extract line items. So it's a fairly large document, so it will take a few minutes, but what it is essentially doing is it is leveraging the AI vision service to be able to do some analysis on this. And after the analysis is going to report the artifact that it will be able to extract successfully. I don't have the validation step in here like I showed you before, but know that we can incorporate AI determination, detection, and validation in any of your processes, irrespective of the type of the process. Once it's almost 92% done. So now you will see that what it has done is it has identified these objects in there. You can see that fire hydrant assembly that you saw in there has been detected as well. And it is just showing me a list of the first 20. Obviously, it's a large file, so it has 10 of others. But imagine through this, you can then export an Excel or get it back into your tool that is being used by the operations team, or if you use that as part of your bidding process to extract some of the items that you want to provide bid for, you can use it for that as well, and it can be integrated with your backend system. So this is how you can actually leverage AI for engineering drawings and benefit from that.